Hello friends, welcome to the second part of this review of new installations all around the world dedicated to industry. Today we are going to visit VALMET's fiber flash dryer system erection work at SCA in Ortviken mill in Sweden. Ortviken, now I can tell you some information. Ortviken is a district in Sundsvall. It's a famous place in Sweden. Locally, the area is called Kosta to distinguish it from Ortviken's paper mill, which is located just south of the district. Okay, just as a curiosity, if you visit the place. Then we are going to watch the video, but before, I would like just a simple explanation to you about what the system consists of. As far as you see in the diagram, the feed of the raw material, the wet material, in this case can be spruce, could be also birch or eucalyptus. You feed the product to the mixer, and then there is a feeding screw to a hot air box. In a venturi, you mixed the hot air that is heated previously, considering fresh air from outside, and then you mix together and send to the cyclone. In the cyclone, you separate the heavy parts to the bottom and separate the product. One little part is recycled again to the system, and then the air is separate, sent out through a fan and then a scrubber to separate without particles to the atmosphere. This scrubber works with fresh water in order to cut the particles down to the water, avoiding to be released to the atmosphere. Before starting the video, I'm going to little explain what we are going to see in the video. In April 2022, all major parts of VALMET's fiber flash dryer system in the CTMP project at SCA's Ortviken mill site were erected. It is drying cyclones, heat exchangers, drying towers, and the scrubber. To get everything in place, huge cranes were performing several heavy lifts in all kinds of weather, the windy days being the most challenging ones. Yes, it's normal. With heavy loads, you have always problems with the windy days. It's the more dangerous thing. The tallest part is the scrubber, which now reaches about 54 meters above ground. Okay, quite tall. The same height as a continuous digester. Yeah. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, we can see that this is snow, the place. Okay, lifting a huge piece of cyclone. Okay, it's almost at night, totally covered. Okay, it seems to be quite frozen day. Okay, now they are starting the lift of the towers, small diameter, but quite tall. And then huge crane, okay, for the heavy part, the heat exchangers. Always in this kind of systems is always the heaviest part. But it's really brand new installation. It's really nice. It's like looking at SpaceX even. Installation, very beautiful installation. Huge crane, of course. And now they are fixing it to the ground and also fixing the structure to the installation. Okay, that's all. Really nice video. I would like to see it again. Congratulations for this nice video, for sure. is amazing, the quality of image. The drying towers, they are fixing in the medium part just to let the pieces, let's say, heat without breaking. The thermal expansion. Okay, and then the final conclusion is that this kind of installation could be really interesting for many mills, as it seems that is an alternative to the flag dryer. The flag dryer, as you know, is the final part of the dryer of the pulp in the cellulose process. Once you have cook, wash, bleach, traditionally the companies has chosen a solution consisting of cardboards with, let's say, almost square shape and easily to handle. Also, then, in order to avoid water transport that is not valuable at all and cost money, they reach the final dryness around 90%. Okay, more than 90% is less water, but is much more expensive to get. So let's say that 90% is a good point. But for getting that, you need 3 levels of dryness. One sheet former with vacuum, then you need a press section, and then you need some normally flag dryer that is with air. One of the most expensive parts in a cellulose mill. So this alternative that we watch out in the video, it's most probably a very good alternative for certain purposes depending on transport logistics, as you can avoid for sure the flag dryer that is quite expensive, and if you have space problems in your mill, this is a very good solution, as you can also install this outside of the building. So very good point. Okay friends, I hope you have enjoyed this visit again, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.